Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into DistroWatch Weekly, issue 1106, focusing on the resurgence of BSD and some interesting developments in Linux distributions. Exciting stuff!
I'm particularly keen to hear about the Adelian Pop_OS reviews. A year's worth of development, and what's the outcome? Spill the beans.
Absolutely. The Adeli 1.0 Beta 6 review highlights some persistent issues. Remember last year's review? Well, the memory leak seems fixed, that's a win, but the LXQT edition is still plagued by input problems. Keyboard and mouse unresponsive after installation, ugh.
So a step forward, 2 steps back? What about the Plasma edition?
The Plasma edition fared better, but still lacks readily accessible network tools after installation. Unbelievable. It's like they're actively trying to make it difficult to get online. And those dual, identical audio widgets in the system tray? Still there!
Incredible. Sounds frustrating. Let's shift gears to Pop_OS 24.04 Alpha 5 and its Cosmic Desktop. Any progress there?
Some, yes. The Alt plus Tab window switching is improved, finally behaving more like other desktops. But the memory usage has ballooned by 50% from 1 GB to 1.5 GB. And the application menu still randomly stops working. Seriously?
So a heavier desktop with fewer features? That's not exactly a selling point. What about the new Cosmic Media Player?
It plays audio, but completely fails with video files. It displays no video open and disables the file menu. And the VPN settings? Don't even get me started. Another fail.
Wow, that's a rough review. It sounds like System 76 has some tough decisions to make regarding Pop_OS's future. The poll in DistroWatch reflects that uncertainty.
Exactly. The options range from releasing 24.04 with the old Gnome environment to waiting for Cosmic to mature, potentially delaying the release for years. A real dilemma. The reader comments are a fascinating mix of frustration, support, and alternative suggestions.
And the BSD news? Anything exciting there?
Oh yes, there's a tutorial on drawing graphics directly in the NetBSD terminal, a Nix package manager port to FreeBSD, and GhostBSD is hosting a desktop conference. It's a busy world for BSD. It shows a growing interest in BSD for desktop use.
That's great to hear. And the Facebook ban on Linux-related content? Crazy.
Absolutely crazy. Apparently, Facebook now considers Linux malware. The irony is, Facebook uses Linux extensively. DistroWatch suggests using RSS feeds and Mastodon as alternatives. Makes perfect sense.
Well, that's a wrap for this episode of Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back next week with more exciting developments in the world of open source.
Bye for now, and happy computing.
Bye-bye.